Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about quadratic equations, EAMCET JEE means BITSAT type multiple choice questions. Let us have a discussion. The first question here, x1, x2 are roots of x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0. x3, x4 are roots of x square minus 12x plus q equal to 0 such that x1, x2, x3, x4 forms GP, then P equal to Q equal to. So they are asking to calculate the values of P and Q. So to solve these type of problems, we need to take that option verification. So first option verification, I am going to do that. Option verification method here. First I am taking first option. In this first option, P is equal to 2. That implies that P is there in the first equation. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So whose roots are given as x1 plus x2 and x1 x2. So x1 plus x2 is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a means 3. And x1 x2 is equal to 2. So these conditions are satisfied with x is equal to 1 and x1. x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 2, or x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 into 2 is 2, or 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, or 2 into 1 is equal to 3. So x1 value and x2 value, we got it. After that, we will verify x1, x2, x3, x4, or whether it forms GP or not. We will check out. So in that first option, P value we have taken. Next, Q value I am taking. Q is equal to 32. That implies that second quadratic equation, x square minus 12x in place of q 32 equal to 0. So here also x1 plus x2 is equal to 12 and x1 x2 is equal to 32. 32 factorization is 8 plus 8 into 4, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 32, 8 into 4 is 32. So otherwise directly you can do that factors also. Here minus 3x can be written as minus 2x minus x factorization you can do. Just I am going in that way here. But here roots of this second quadratic equation is x3 and x4 ma. So x3 is equal to, I am taking here 4 and 8. X is equal to, x3 is equal to 4 and x4 is equal to 8. So product of the roots 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Here 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So product of the roots also satisfying. So by observing the values of x1, x2, x3 and x4, I am writing here in serial order x1, x2, x3, x4. So the value of x1 is 1, x2 value is 2, x3 value is 4 and x4 value is 8. Whether they are in GP or not, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. To prove that values are GP or not, the common ratio I am taking T2 by T1 and T3 by T2 and T4 by T3. If all the values are same, then it will be GP. We can decide that. So 2 by 1, 2. So 4 by 2, 2. 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. So they are in GP. Clearly, therefore P value and Q value are 2 and 32 and it forms GP absolutely. So no need to verify go for that other options. P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 32. I hope everyone understand. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. So next question, a root of the equation, a root of the equation means here quadratic equation only, a plus b divided by x plus a plus b plus c divided by x plus b is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c divided by x plus a plus b. So here a plus c minus a plus c. So options are A, B, B option is B, C option is C, and D option is A plus B plus C. So by observing, by seeing, it is a difficult question, but it is very easy. See, by taking that option verification in this case also, a root of the equation. So first term, if you observe that a plus c by x plus c is there. Second term is b plus c divided by x plus b. So in this first term, a is there in the denominator, numerator c is there, here c is not there. Here b is there and here c. So if here also a plus b plus c is there, but here a plus b is there, c is not there. So option verification I am taking here. Put x is equal to c in the given equation. In the given equation. If it satisfies LHS is equal to RHS, it is a root only, no? So a plus c by c plus a plus b plus c by c plus b is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c by a plus b plus c. These two will be cancelled. These two will be cancelled. These two will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. So LHS is equal to RHS satisfying means. Therefore, x is equal to c is a root of given equation. So x is equal to c is the right answer, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. In the last video, we discussed about the real roots and at least one root is positive, at least one of the determinant is discriminant is positive. Like this question we discussed now. So based on this one question, if p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and q of x is equal to minus ax square plus dx plus c, where ac is not equal to 0, then the equation then the equation p of x into q of x is equal to 0 has integer type questions, means roots like this. No need to write that options here because integer type question this is. So delta 1 is the discriminant of d1. I said I discussed in the last video. Delta 1 is the discriminant of p of x. So we will write like this, ma. Delta 1 is the discriminant of p of x, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So delta 1 is equal to b square minus 4ac only, no? Similarly, delta 2 is the discriminant of q of x minus ax square plus dx plus c equal to 0. Then delta 2 is equal to how much it is? D square minus of minus plus will come here. Observe carefully. 4ac. They are asking p of x into q of x equal to 0. That means the product of two quadratic equations, p of x into q of x, whenever the product of two functions is, therefore we need to add the discriminants, then delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to, so add that both discriminants, b square minus 4ac plus d square plus 4ac minus 4ac plus 4ac get cancelled, b square plus d square is equal to sum of the discriminants, d square b square plus d square. Okay, this is always sum of the squares of any integers, any values is always greater than 0, obviously. Therefore, whenever sum of the discriminant is greater than 0, either delta 1 or delta 2 are positive, or at least one of the discriminant is positive. Two possibilities are there here. So, we will write the description here. Either delta 1 comma delta 2 are positive, or either or. At least one of the discriminants, one of the discriminants, at least one of the discriminants is positive, either delta 1 or delta 2. Okay, suppose in this case, therefore we will give the conclusion p of x into q of x is equal to 0 has, suppose both are positive, so both, here two cases here only I am telling, both the cases means delta 1 comma delta 2, delta 1 comma delta 2 both are greater than 0, this time 4 real roots will come. Sir, how you are saying that both 4 real roots? Delta 1, delta is greater than 0 means real and distinct elements, na? Roots. Na? So, delta 1 is greater than 0 means 2 real roots will come. Delta 2 is greater than 0 means there are also 2 real roots. Total 2 plus 2, 4 real roots will occur. So, 4 real roots are, what happens? Another possibility. Any one of them, either delta 1 is greater than 0 or delta 2 greater than 0. Any one of them you can take. So, any one of them you can take means only 2 real roots, either delta 1 greater than 0 or delta 2 greater than 0. So, ultimately the answer is 4 real roots or 2 real roots. Here in the, here either 4 real roots or 2 real roots. That is the answer. No? When the question is in this, either 4 real roots or this type of question they are asking nowadays JEE means. You remember, dear students, JEE type question. The previous question is like a EAMCET. We can EAMCET or that BITSAT type question. These type of questions. Even this also, this twisted question, either JEE means or BITSAT or EAMCET question. But this is EAMCET question, absolutely. This type of question compulsory they will ask in JEE means only. So we'll move on to the next question. So the next question is, this is also twisted question, like a good question, but conceptually, a into 5 plus q square plus 2b into q plus c is equal to 0, and a into 5 plus r square small r square plus 2b small r plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, then q plus r is equal to, they are asking this value. They are asking q plus r value. So first option is minus 2b by r, second option minus 2r by b, third option minus 2b by a, fourth option minus 2a by b. Here, one logic is there behind this question, dear students. Observe carefully, you will get that logic. A into 5 plus q square. So, actual first equation I am taking. So, 5a plus aq square plus 2bq plus c is equal to 0. So, 5a and c is a constant. Aq square plus 2b into q plus c plus 5a is a quadratic equation 1. Similarly, second equation also, see actual multiplication if you do, and wherever q is there in this equation, r is there just. So what I am writing is a into r square plus 2b into r plus c plus 5a is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Both the quadratic equations are symmetric. These two equations are symmetric equations. Symmetric equations with roots r comma q. See, in this equation, it is a quadratic equation in terms of q. It is a quadratic equation in terms of r. That means both the quadratic equations are symmetric with q and r. So, if you consider any one of the equation also, this equation contains either this equation or first equation. It contains the roots q comma r. Q comma r are the roots. So they are asking q plus r means what? Sum of the roots only, no? So sum of the roots r plus q is equal to, then r plus q is equal to sum of the roots. So what is the formula for sum of the roots? Minus b by a. In place of b, what value is there in this equation? 2b. So minus 2b by a value is a only. So r plus q is equal to minus 2b by a, which is there in the third option. Dear students, you remember this is very important thing. Symmetric equations with roots r q. What is the meaning of symmetric equation with roots r q? Means first equation quadratic term in terms of q, second equation quadratic equation in terms of r. All the terms are same. So same values are there. That is the reason both are symmetric quadratic equations with r and q. So we considered as second equation or first equation are having the roots r comma q. So some of the roots indirectly they asked. We'll move on to the next question. So next question is, if the equation if a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a equal to 0 has equal roots, then b comma a comma c are in first option AP, second option GP, third option HP, and fourth option AGP. So first you write the given quadratic equation. A minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, dear students. In the earlier classes, I discussed that in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the sum of the coefficients of x square, x and constants, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then 1 comma c by a are roots of the equation. Keep in mind this point. In this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If a plus b plus c, that means coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant, sum of these values is equal to 0. The roots are 1 and product of the roots. C by a means product of the roots. So according to the given equation 1, for the equation 1, roots are 1, roots of equation 1 are 1 comma c. C value is what? C by a means c minus a divided by a minus b. And one more condition is given, has equal roots. Equation 1 has equal roots. Equation 1 has equal roots. That means that is alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to c minus a by a minus b. When the equation 1 has equal roots, then alpha is equal to beta only, no? So alpha is equal to beta means 1 is equal to c minus a by a minus b. So cross multiply, a minus b is equal to c minus a. Minus a I am taking here. A plus a is equal to b plus c. So 2a is equal to b plus c. So twice of the middle is equal to sum of the extremities means b comma a comma c are in arithmetic progression. So not ABC ma. Here observe carefully in putting a star mark. So b comma twice of the middle is equal to sum of the extremities. So b, a, c are in arithmetic progression. So b, a, c are in arithmetic progression. It is there in the first option. Yeah, and the next question, if x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, then x power 2007 plus x power minus 2007 equal to a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2 and c equal to 1 and d equal to 0. The four options which are, so first quadratic equation, x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Find out the factors. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 1 whole square, 4 into a into c. That means 4ac means it will become 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 divided by 2. That also can be written as 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. So these values which are called, so 1 by 2 plus or minus I into root 3 by 2. These values are minus omega comma minus omega square, which we know that these are the cube roots of unities. Therefore, x is equal to minus omega and x is equal to minus omega square. So x power 2007 we want, dear students, x power 2007, that is equal to minus omega whole power 2007. So minus odd number of times 2007 is minus omega power 2007. So it will be equal to 1 omega power 2007. It is the multiple of 3. So omega power 3 we can write na, minus omega power 3 times power. So 3 6 3 6 again, 3 9 So omega power 3 is equal to 1 anyway, minus 1 power 669. 1 power anything is 1 only, so minus 1. Since omega power 3 is equal to 1. So x power minus 2007, that is can be written as 1 by x power 2007 only, no? So 1 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, they are asking x power 2007 plus x power minus 2007 is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So ultimately the answer is minus 2. So it is there in the second option, dear students. We will move on to the next question. The next question is, if the roots of the equation x square minus bx plus c equal to 0 be two consecutive integers Then b square minus 4c equal to, so options 1, 2, 3, 4. So how it will be? One by one we will discuss. So what is the given equation? Consecutive roots they given. The given equation is x square minus bx plus c equal to 0. Consecutive roots means, suppose 1 is the root, means immediately 1 plus 1. Immediate number is what? 2. 2 is also a root. So here we cannot take 1, 2, 3 like this. Why? Because x square minus bx plus c equal to 0. So let alpha comma alpha plus 1 are the roots. Why we are taking this one? Consecutive integers, they say, are the roots of equation 1. So from this, sum of the roots I am taking. Alpha plus 1 is equal to b, sum of the roots, and product of the roots, alpha into alpha plus 1 is equal to c. So 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to b. So here uh, alpha square plus alpha is equal to c. They are asking b square minus 4c only, no? B square means 2 alpha plus 1 whole square minus 4 into c. C value is alpha square plus alpha. So simplification. 2 alpha whole square means 4 alpha square plus 1 plus 4 alpha minus 4 alpha square minus 4 alpha. So 4 alpha square plus 4 alpha minus 4 alpha, ultimately the value is 1. So which is there in the first option, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question is, if alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 56, then the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta is. So option verification I'm doing here. X square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 16 equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Yeah, in this, if alpha plus beta equal to minus 2, no? So first option verification can go from this. Why? Because alpha plus beta is there. No? Option verification. First I am checking that A option. X square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 is satisfying here. Alpha beta are the roots, no? Sum of the roots is okay. But what are the roots? From this, x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0, factorization. X into x plus 4 minus 2 into x plus 4. So x minus 2 into x plus 4 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 comma x is equal to minus 4. So these are the roots. That means this is alpha equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 4. So now we will verify according to the conditions. Alpha plus beta is equal to, so 2 minus 4 which is equal to minus 2. So first condition was satisfied. Next, alpha cube plus beta cube value we are doing. So 2 cube plus minus 4 whole cube. 2 cube means 8, minus 4 cube means minus 64. So minus 64 plus 8 is so minus 56. 4 cube means 64 only, no? 2 cube. So 56 is the 56 is also there. Alpha k plus. So first option is the right option. No need to go for another options. So first option is the right option, dear students. The number of solutions of the equation mod x square minus 3 into mod x plus 2 equal to 0 is. So number of solutions means ER. So first given equation mod x square minus 3 into mod x plus 2 equal to 0. Put mod x is equal to y you take. So it will becomes y square minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. This type of question they are asking in the JA mains and EAMCET. Dear students, you remember that. This video will help you a lot for you people. Different concept I covered. In the next video, concepts as well as questions I am going to make. And you remember, you have to join in my Telegram channel itself. It is there in, I will give the link in the description also. Those who are interested, you can join. You will get some materials, important points regarding that I will provide. So now factorization, if you do that, y square minus 2y minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So y into y minus 2 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Y minus 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 2. So case, if y is equal to 1, that implies that y means what? We have assumed that mod x only. No? Mod x is equal to 1, that implies x is equal to plus or minus 1. If y is equal to 2, that implies mod x is equal to 2, that implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. So here two solutions, here also two solutions total. Here minus 1 comma 1, here minus 2 comma 2. Therefore, the total solutions are minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. So total 4 solutions are there. So the answer is 4. The number of solutions are 4. We'll move on to the next question. Once again, I'll briefly show that. If small a and small b are non-zero roots of x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0, then the least value, that means minimum value, the least value of x square plus ax plus b equal to 0, not 0 ma, only is. So options, indirectly they are asking a b values calculate and then minimum value or least value of this quadratic expression. So options are minus 9 by 4, minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 8, minus 8 by 9. So first condition, you observe that. What condition we have? A, B are non-zero roots of this equation. So x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. For this alpha comma beta roots, suppose then what happens? Sum of the roots, product of the roots only, no? Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus a according to this equation. Product of the roots alpha beta is equal to b. So in place of alpha beta, alpha is equal to a mentioned and beta is equal to b mentioned. It is given that this information is given. So substitute a plus b is equal to minus a. That minus a also we can take this at a plus a. 2a plus b is equal to 0. And ab is equal to b. So that implies that ab minus b is equal to 0. B take common. A minus 1 is equal to 0. Anyway, b is not equal to 0. They said a, b non-zero roots. So obviously what will be 0? A minus 1 equal to 0. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 means substitute in this. A is equal to 1 in this. So 2 plus b is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 2. So roots we got it. A value, b value. Therefore the quadratic expression will becomes x square plus ax plus b is equal to x square plus x. B value is minus 2. So we know that the minimum value of the minimum value or least value, the minimum value least value of ax square plus bx plus c is 4ac minus b square by 4a. So that is equal to this. From this especially I am writing, you remember that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 2. Don't confuse this quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, these values. Now these values substitute in this. 4 into a value, 1 into c value minus 2, minus b square means 1 square by 4 into 1. So 4 into minus 2, minus 8 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to minus 9 by 4. I hope you understand that. This is the turning step, dear students. Keep in mind and observe carefully. This one. Put a star mark from this ABC values. So that this is depend on that only, no? Minimum value, maximum value. So minus 9 by 4, which is there in the first option. We'll move on to the next question. So here the set of all values. The next question. The set of all values of x, the set of all values of x for x square minus 3x minus 10 is less than 0 and 10x minus x square minus 16 is greater than 0. It holds simultaneously. Hold simultaneously is what option we have, in which interval it will be. So open interval of 2 comma 3, open interval of 2 comma 4, open interval of 2 comma 5, open interval of 2 comma 7. So simultaneously it holds for which interval? That means a common domain of these two inequalities is the required answer. Holding means common. See here, first the quadratic expression inequality x square minus 3x minus 10 is less than 0. So 10 here we need to get now. So for what options? X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is less than 0. So x into x minus 5 plus 2 into x minus 5 is less than 0. So x plus 2 into x minus 5 is less than 0. Therefore, x minus of minus 2 into x minus 5 is less than 0. We can write it as x belongs to open interval of minus 2 comma 5. This is regarding first inequality. Next inequality is what? 10x minus x square minus 16. 10x minus x square minus 16 is greater than 0. So minus I am taking common, x square minus 10x plus 16 is greater than 0. If we remove minus here, inequality will change. So x square minus 10x plus 16 is less than 0. 16 factorization 8 2s are here. X square minus 2x minus 8x plus 16 is less than 0. From these two, x into x minus 2 minus 8 into x minus 2 is less than 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 8 is less than 0. That implies that x belongs to open interval of 2 comma 8. So x belongs to minus 2 to 5 open interval. Here only just I will draw the real number line. Observe carefully, dear students. This is the real number line. This is 0, minus 2, here plus 2, here 5, here 8, and so on infinity. Here also plus infinity. So first interval, first inequality minus 2 to 5, open interval of minus 2 to 5. Second one, second inequality, it holds for open interval of 2 to 8. What is the common interval which we are observing from the figure? This is the common interval which we have. So in this interval, these two inequalities simultaneously it holds this equation. So therefore, the answer x belongs to open interval of 2 comma 5. So in this inequalities, the simultaneously what they are asking, it holds simultaneously is the common domain of these two. Common domain. Common domain is x belongs to open interval of 2 comma 5. So x belongs to open interval of 2 comma 5 is, I hope everyone understand here students. I'll move on to in the next session we will discuss. Thank you all. Even Telegram channel link is also I'm giving in the description box. Once you go through, those who are interested, you can join, dear students, and you can share to your friends also, friends and relatives. If you like these videos, give a comment and like compulsory. Those who are watching first time these videos, please go through that playlists. Why? Because number of playlists are there available for us in the equations. Remember, thank you all. I'm going to end the session now. Bye.